Did you know that water might not actually be wet? Sounds strange, right? Let's dive into it. Water droplet. When we think of wetness, we usually think of water, but most scientists define wet as a liquid's ability to stick to a solid surface. And guess what? Water itself doesn't stick to anything. It's the object that gets wet. Water science. Explore the science behind water and wetness. Is water wet? The age-old question answered. Is water itself wet? Fun science facts. Wetness explained. Learn how scientists define wetness and what it means. Water trivia. Fascinating trivia about the properties of water. Science experiment. Engaging science concepts, explained simply. Mind-blowing facts. Discover surprising facts that will blow your mind. Is water really wet? Investigating the truth behind whether water is wet or not. Water properties. Find out the interesting properties of water. Liquid science. Explaining how liquids like water interact with solids. Facts about water. Interesting facts you may not know about water. Water phenomenon. Explore the phenomenon of water's interaction with surfaces. Scientific trivia. Interesting scientific trivia that makes you think. Cool science fact. The coolest science facts about everyday things like water. Physics of water. Dive into the physics behind water and its characteristics. What is wet? Uncover the true definition of what it means to be wet. Water splashing onto different objects. So water isn't wet by itself, but it can definitely make other things wet. Wet. Generally refers to the condition of being covered or saturated with a liquid, typically water. However, scientifically, wetness is defined as a liquid's ability to adhere to or remain in contact with a solid surface. An object is wet when it is coated with or has absorbed liquid. The liquid itself, like water, is not technically wet, but it has the ability to make things wet. It's all about the interaction between the liquid and the solid surface. Pretty mind-blowing, huh? Hit the like button if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome facts.